Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Kumar EduTech. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget bell icon. Hello friends. Today we will discuss about dentition in mammals. What is dentition? Dentition means the arrangement of tooth in the upper and lower jaws is called as dentition. So these dentition teeth are born on premaxilla, maxilla and dentaris. So the root is embedded in the socket. Teeth are present in all mammals whale except whale. So then first we will discuss about structure of typical tooth. So the typical mammalian tooth has three parts. So it is this structure is divided into three parts. So first one, crown. So this one is crown and this one is neck and bottom is root. The root is embedded in the socket. The root is embedded in the socket. The entire tooth enclosed by pulp cavity. So socket and pulp cavity. The tooth is made up of dentine. It is a cement-like structure. The crown is covered externally by hard shield that is called enamel. So hard shield is called as enamel. The neck and root were covered by cement. Covered by cement. So first types of dentation. Based on the attachment of teeth in a jawbone, there are three types. So first one acrodont, second one fluorodont, third one thecodont. Thecodont. A is absent. Thecodont. And another model based on types of teeth. Based on types of teeth. Homodont and heterodont. And then next based on number of sets of tooth that develops during lifetime. Monophyodont, diphyodont, polyphyodont. So in this first acrodont. Acrodont means in this type of dentition the teeth have no roots. This one acrodont. So structure is this one. The teeth have no roots and they are fused to the edge of the bone, edge of the jaws. And acrodont dentition is seen in lower vertebrates like amphibians, amphibians and reptiles. Then next to fluorodont. So this is a fluorodont dentition. In fluorodont dentition, the teeth are attached to the rim of jaw. So rim of jaw. This type of dentition is found in lizards. Third one, thecodont. The thecodont dentition, the teeth have roots and the roots are embedded in socket. So this is roots are present. And the thecodont dentition is seen in all mammals. Next, based on the types of teeth, first one homodont. So homodont dentition structure. So homodont type of dentition is a condition where the teeth is similar in shape. All teeth are similar in shape. Example, dolphins. So teeth and upper jaw and lower jaw teeth are equal in size and shape is called as homodont. Then next heterodont. Heterodont, the teeth are different in shape and functions and are present in the same animal. In heterodont type, teeth are differentiated into four types, namely incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So four types of teeth are present in an animal is called as heterodont dentition. Then last one, based on the number of sets of teeth the develops during the time. Monophyodont. First one is monophyodont. In certain animals, only one set of teeth develops during the lifetime, and this condition is called as monophyodont. Examples: squirrels. Next, diphyodont. Diphyodont condition, two sets of teeth develop during the lifetime of an animal. The first set of dentition is called as milk dentition. Milk dentition or lacteal dentition. This milk dentition is later replaced by permanent dentition. Permanent dentition. Then next to last one, polyphyodont. In lower vertebrates, many sets of teeth develops during the lifetime. This kind of dentition is called as polyphyodont. Then next, the heterodont dentition, there are four types. Four different types: incisor, canons, premolar and molars. Incisors, they are flat chisel shaped teeth having a single root. They are used for cutting. Then next, canines. Canines are sharp pointed teeth having a single pointed crown and a single root. They are used for piercing and tearing the flesh of the prey. The next, premolar. Premolar, they are collectively called grinders. Premolar and molar is also called as grinders. They have two or more roots and the crown bears complex cusp, and the next pattern is cusp pattern of the molar. The molars show many types of cusps on their surface. Based on the number and shape, different types. They are monocuspid, bicuspid, tricuspid, bunodont, lophodont, solenodont, cecodont, hypodont and brachiodont. So total 9 types of cusps are present in molars. So first one, monocuspid. So this is characterized by the presence of only one cusp. Next, to bicuspid. Two cusps are present. The tooth is called bicuspid. Next, to tricuspid. Tricuspid, these are molars having 3 cuspids. So this is 3 cuspids. Tricuspid teeth are also called as triconodont. The next, bunodont. So bunodont type, the crown has a number of blunt cusps. Next, lophodont. The cusps are arranged in the form of ridges. So then solenodont. These are molars which cusp in the form of crescent. The second type of molar, the crown has cusp having sharp cutting edges. Next, hypsodont. These are molars with high crown and short roots. Next, brachiodont. Molar teeth with short crown and with the neck at the surface of the gum are called branchiodont. Then going to another topic, dental formula. The number of teeth in each animal is represented by formula is called as dental formula. The teeth of the upper jaw are placed as numerator and those of the lower jaws as denominators. The dental formula is expressed as follows: number of teeth on one half of the upper jaw by number of teeth on one half of lower jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw. So for example, rabbit, incisors, canines, premolars and molars into 2. Rabbit dental formula is 2033 by 1023. Next to rat, 1003 by 1003, total 16 teeth. Next sheep, 0033 by 3133, total 32. 2123 by 2123, total 32 in man. So 2123 by 2123 into 2. So total 32. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3, 5 plus 8. 8 by 8 into 2 equal to 32. How it is possible? 3132 by 3132 into 2. So 8 by 8 into 2. 8 into 2 equal to 16. And 16. 16 plus 16 equal to 32 teeth in mammals. So this is a dentition in mammals.